Very good morning, children. I am L.K. Tripathi here, your SST teacher. Dear children, we shall start new chapter today, that is chapter number 7, Our Country India. This is from your geography. So let's study this chapter carefully and interestingly. Well, to start this chapter, let's get started. First, let's begin it. Students to form group and create a book of knowledge of India. The topics to be included are people, Indian art and culture, historic location, famous people. Number 2. The topics to be included are people, Indian art and culture, historic locations, famous people, etc. Each team chooses one topic to focus on. It should be 5-6 pages per topic, inclusive of an introduction, detailed description, pictures, glossary, at the end of website, references for more information. Gather the information that the students have collected and bind them into a book. Add a table of contents and design a cover. So children, this type of activity is not possible nowadays. As you know, the corona pandemic is there in all over the world. So everybody is falling in crisis. Schools also have been closed for a long time. There is no prior information about to open the school in recent time. So we can't get able to organize such types of team, such types of activities. So let's discuss through this video as well as live class. Introduction. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. एरिया में विश्व में 7वां स्थान इसका है. 7 largest country है भारत. It covers 3.28 million square kilometer with a population of more than 1 billion. It alone covers 3.28 million square kilometer area of the world having more than 1 billion population. It is known for its enormous natural diversity, wonderful landscape and glorious monuments. India's beauty is famous all over the world. The entire world are attracted to the natural beauty of India. People from the many parts of the world come to India to visit its natural beauty. It occupies a large part of South Asia. In this chapter, we will travel from one part of the country to the other and gain an insight about its distinctive features. So, place to place we will visit through this chapter and we shall observe the distinctive features of the country. India. Location. India is bounded by the Arabian Sea on the southwest and the Bay of Bengal on the southeast. In the साउथ वेस्ट हम दक्षिण पश्चिम में चलते हैं तो वहाँ पे अरेबियन सी हमको मिलता है. दक्षिण पूर्व में चलेंगे तो वहाँ पर बे ऑफ बंगाल है. दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन ओशन. देयर अरेबियन सी एंड देयर इन साउथ ईस्ट दैट इज बे ऑफ बंगाल. On a physical map of India, it is clearly visible that these are extensions of the Indian Ocean, which lies to the south of India. 1/3, about 7,500 kilometers, of India's border is coastline. इतनी ज़्यादा जो है ये 7,500 किलोमीटर. The largest coastline in the world, that is, and this ocean, India, is such ocean which is named after its country. This also includes India's island. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The mainland of India extends from Kanyakumari in the south at about 8 degree 4 minutes north to Kashmir in the north at about 37 degrees 6 minutes north, about 3210 kilometers, we can say. It extends from the Rann of Kutch, that is there in Gujarat, in the west at about 68 degrees 7 minute east to Arunachal Pradesh in the east at about 97 degree 25 minutes east, about 2900 kilometers. This much boundary it occupies direction wise. So there is definitely the time differences also due to its latitudinal extent from Arunachal Pradesh to western part of India, that is Rann of Kutch. Neighbors of India. Who are the neighbors of India? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar are the countries bordering India. The island country of Sri Lanka off the southeast coast of India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, India and Bangladesh together form a huge landmass, commonly referred to as the Indian subcontinent. इंडिया और बांग्लादेश ये जो है इनकी लैंड मास बहुत ही ज़्यादा है इसको हम कॉमनली इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट भी कहते हैं. इट इज़ कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ एशिया बाय द लॉफ्टी हिमालयस इन द नॉर्थ एंड एडजेसेंट माउंटेन रेंजेस दैट रन अलॉन्ग द वेस्ट एंड द ईस्ट. ये सेपरेट होता है जो हिमालयन माउंटेन्स हैं नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री में, और somehow means moreover we can say it is cut off from the Asia due to its lofty Himalayan mountains. The Himalayas also act as a barrier and protect the country from the icy cold winds of Central Asia. जो सेंट्रल एशिया से बहुत ही बर्फीली और सर्दीली हवाएं चलती हैं उसको ये जो है सेपरेट करता है. The two seas surrounding the Indian land masses help to keep temperatures warm. ये दोनों जो सागर हैं ये इंडियन लैंड मास को सराउंड किए हुए हैं और ये जो है टेम्परेचर मेंटेनेंस में, टेम्परेचर वार्म करने में ये बहुत ही हेल्प करते हैं. पॉलिटिकल डिविजन्स. देयर आर 28 states and 9 union territories in India. Now it has changed. The union territories, 2 union territories have been added there, Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir. So the scenario has been changed. The political map of India shows the boundaries of India's states and union territories and the area each unit covers. It also shows the state capitals and other major cities. Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in India. The states are further divided into districts. The area wise Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest. Further it divides into 2 districts. Further it divides into districts, not 2 districts. Next, that is we shall stop this video up till here. Rest we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, goodbye.